G Street. Foundation has partial collapse. We're going to deem them as a no entry, no search. Stanford, let me know when you are ready for the number.
JJ?
Yes, sir.
Right here. No, I got one.
Or we can go out, whatever.
Well, you tell me how you want to get there.
Just get there. The other day, they had this blocked off. We came down this street the other day on the 11th, and our engine was pretty much halfway underwater.
And we're on E Avenue.
Coming down the 11th here. Right at this point.
Start this house here, work our way down to the next block, up, and back. Sounds good?
James.
Police, fire rescue!
There we go. Yeah, there we go.
Hey!
Yeah, got a window. I got a window. I got a window open. Yeah, got a window. Yeah. You got it?
Here, I can hold that up for you.
Police, fire rescue!
Hey, good. Jail is to the left here. The door on the left. You can open that. Is there a door right there?
No.
Oh. I lied. That's nice.
Stay inside and come back out. Do you want to escort it out? I'm going to escort you out of this area. Do you want to escort it out? Don't come back out here harassing anybody. You understand me? I'll make sure you never come back here again until this is all over.